Fish on. I know. I'm like, I can't lose this one. I'm gonna go. Oh, it's a big one too. That's another nice one. Over there, same spot. Yeah. Hell yeah, baby.
Yay.
Yeah, that's a chunky one. Yeah, that's a nice one. Got him on the Aqueduct, baby. Oh, that was a fat one, huh? Show how fat he is. Oh, that's a nice one. Got one? Striper? Got one, guys. Stop. Alright, let's see.
Oh, my wrist.
Is it a big one? Keeper, huh?
First pass.
Alright, so we're gonna have to drag him up. Yeah, that's at least 22. If not bigger. Yeah, that's bigger than that. Bigger than 22. Yeah. It's like 23. Probably 23 or 24. How big do you think it is? She said it was 18. 24 inches. That's definitely her biggest fish.
That's my biggest fish.
How do you feel? Another one on the A-rig. Oh, this one's better. I think this one's bigger. Hell yeah, guys. I got lucky and stuck it out today. Yeah, this one's a fighter. Hell yeah, baby. 2 fish on the A-rig today. I've never caught a fish on the A-rig. Got 2 today. Limited out. Oh, this one's a big one. Oh, hell yeah, baby. Hell yeah, that's a nice one. Hell yeah, baby. It's a nice one. I think this one's better than the other one. Maybe 23. Second fish on the A-rig. Got one, guys. Those are nice sized ones too. Way bigger than the other ones. I didn't expect this, guys. Oh, that's actually a decent looking largemouth right there. Got him on the whopper plopper. Nice little bass. Biggest one I caught this year. All right, catch and release, guy. Fish on, guys. I got one. Yes. Hell yeah, guys. Fish on. Man, sometimes it feels like they're swimming towards me. I think that's what it is. When they stop fighting. Oh, this one's a nice one too. Whew. Line peeler. As soon as I switched to the single swim bait, that's when it bit. Didn't want to bite on the A-rig though. Oh, this one's a fighter. Oh yeah, he's big. Well, bigger. Hell yeah, baby. Oh, that's a nice one. Probably like 19 or 20 on the Aqueduct. I don't have a jerk bait or top water. I'll fish on, guys. Holy crap. You guys see this? I've never seen a boil like this before. Holy crap, guys. I've never seen a boil like this before. Come on, dude, they're everywhere. Ooh, baby. Another fatty. This one's super long. Ooh, baby. That's a nice one. All right, guys, limited out today. There's my PB right here. Fish on, guys. I was all looking at these bass and then I got distracted. Oh, I see a follower, I think. Oh, everyone's a fighter. I don't know if I should keep on fighting him or pull him up. Let's go, baby. Woo! That's a big one. That's a big one. I didn't expect him to be that big. Fish on. Ooh, nice one. That's a nice one. I thought I was gonna skunk today. Ugh. This guy's fighting against the current right now. For a second I thought I lost him. Mine peeler right here. Hell yeah, baby. You got one. Oh, fish on, guys. I didn't expect that. I think this one was a striper. Oh, that's a nice one. Is it a bass? I think it's a bass. Oh, I think it's a striper actually. With the weather change and everything, I was like, I might skunk today. Oh, that one looks like a nice one. Man, this one's a fighter. Hell yeah, baby. That's a nice one. Woo! He freaking choked it. You see my swim bait? It's all the way down there.